We're at Brayford Wharf in Lincolnshire, level crossing in Lincoln, whatever.
Ooh, yeah, that's very close to hitting the floor. Time is 11:24. This would be the... Bear with me, I can't find the bloody thing.
Northern service from
Delayed,
Leeds.
10:55, Northern Connect service from Leeds. It's got 5 minutes to just leave again.
The majority will be
Arrival 27, departure 29. Blimey.
It won't double stay. Just have to reset the signal.
What's happening about its lateness is probably
I think they
158.
bothered to cancel out Peterborough in the end.
This is due to
Yeah, they did.
broken down
train.
freight train.
Took all the time to cancel it.
When is the next arrival for EMR?
God knows.
No, because of their desperate need of stock, they might have to send an ECS 222 from. They could send some stock from Nottingham. All they have to do is send it down
Tour de France or whatever that derailed at Sheffield. 15885-860.
to Lincoln Central. To Lincoln Central. Did they always used to display Lincoln Central?
I don't know. People keep vandalising the wiki to say different flipping names.